Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching again. So for today's video, I'm going to show how to make an invitation box that can be used for wedding invitation, for a debut or birthday party, for baptismal, or other kind of invitation that you want to make, so you can use this kind of design. And the material I used for this is a short folder. I saw this in one of the educational stores here in my place, and I find it good for this kind of a box. And the dimension of this box is 17 by 14 by 2 centimeters. If this is your first time to watch my video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell button set to all so you will be updated on my next upload. You can also go through to my channel page and check the videos that I have uploaded earlier or a few years ago. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will watch this video until the end. For this kind of box, the first one that I have to do is the base, like this one. And the first step is to flatten the measurement or your desired measurement on your board material. And for this video, the measurement I used for this, the width is 14 centimeters, the length is 17 centimeters, and the height is only 2 centimeters. After the measurement, you have to cut out this middle so you can fold. And then cut out also some of the portions that are not needed. Then once it's done, you have to score on the lines so you can fold it properly and form the base now. I am using a double-sided tape here so I can attach the extra portions that I have folded. Okay, the base is now done, and next will be the stand that should be put inside. And the material that I am going to use here is the long folder, the white one. And I need only the half of it. Okay, it's now done, And then I'm going to attach it on the base by using a double-sided tape. Paste also can be used, or glue, or even the stick glue, you can use it, whatever you have. But for me, I'm going to use only the double-sided tape. Okay, so this is now our invitation box. And for now, I want to decorate the sides. I'm going to use a glitters. So I will put the paste and then I will attach the glitters. You can also use the ribbon, or if you want it to be plain, that's fine. No need to add anything. But if you want to add more decorations, then it's up to you. You can use ribbon, glitters, or whatever you have. Okay guys, now I'm done with the decoration on the sides, and now you can put the invitation. You can attach it on the cover, and also you can put it inside. So here's now our invitation card box. And now I want to put a ribbon to tie this one. You can also use other kind of ribbon or any color. It's up to you. Or you can use the theme of your party. Okay, so that is our invitation card box, and thank you guys for watching. Please do like and share this video.